When seeking to penetrate China's lucrative digital market, you might be considering several social apps, but there is one that stands above the rest: WeChat.
With a staggering 1.25 billion active user base and services spanning virtually every aspect of daily life in China, this super app gives brands near-limitless marketing opportunities across its ecosystem. But successfully riding WeChat's tidal wave of opportunities is a whole other beast, and requires anticipating trends and user habits that bear the highest engagement potential.
Hey folks, Alvin here in Hong Kong, and welcome to APAC in 3, where we take 3 minutes to talk about all things digital in Asia. Today's topic: 5 digital marketing trends set to supercharge brands on WeChat in 2022. Short videos are more popular than ever, and with ad and live streaming revenue now up for grabs on WeChat channels, the platform has quickly become a breeding ground for viral content and engagement.
We saw this last year with its live streaming of headline events, like the launch of Shenzhou 12 that drew audiences in the millions. But as its battle for short video viewers heats up against the likes of Douyin, one of WeChat's main goals this year will be to attract more creators to WeChat channels.
How? By offering more tools in its creator incentive program and cultivating an environment where original video content, particularly around lifestyle, entertainment, and informational topics, will thrive. On the back of more available ad formats and targeting options, advertising activity on WeChat channels has skyrocketed in the past year.
In late 2021, for example, WeChat channels was used heavily in China's online shopping festival, Singles Day, to live stream product promotions. The top 30 e-commerce related video accounts alone accumulated 320 million live views in the month of November.
So we can expect WeChat to introduce even more ad formats and engagement tools to attract brands to WeChat channels, and in turn, grow its ad revenue from video content. With WeChat set to improve WeChat search in terms of results quality, usability, and availability, so too will the exposure for brands as users start initiating searches from more entry points around the app.
In particular, the Brand Zone, a section on WeChat search's results pages that offers a consolidated view of a brand, will be a key area for optimization.
In the internet era, content is king, and as pan-knowledge content grows ever more popular, the practice of pay for knowledge is moving beyond traditional methods of teaching and beginning to thrive in online fan economies.
Case in point, QQ, also a Tencent-owned instant messaging app, has been a popular platform to run paid membership groups with gated group chats and membership perks. In much the same way, paid group chats could be an emerging trend through the enterprise WeChat platform.
Today, more and more companies are leveraging enterprise WeChat. In fact, 1.2 million business employees use it to serve their customers on WeChat.
The latest version of the app also integrates with WeChat channels. For example, by enabling you to send virtual business cards to users during a live stream. With these trends in mind, only by experimenting with different approaches on WeChat will you know how to best leverage the social app for your marketing goals.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. To dig deeper, check out theegg.com/APAC in 3.